USPAP, Preamble, page 2. Scope of work rule. The record-keeping rule. The applicable development and reporting standards and applicable statements. There are currently no active statements. When an appraiser provides an opinion about the quality of another appraiser's work that was performed as part of an appraisal or appraisal review assignment, the appraiser must also comply with the scope of work rule, the record-keeping rule, applicable portions of standards 3 and 4, and applicable statements. There are currently no active statements. When preparing an appraisal or appraisal review that is a component of a larger assignment with additional opinions, conclusions, or recommendations, the appraisal or appraisal review component must comply with the applicable development and reporting standards and applicable statements. There are currently no active statements, and the remaining component of the assignment must comply with the ethics rule, the competency rule, and jurisdictional exception rule. Definitions, page 3. For the purpose of the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, USPAP, the following definitions apply. Appraisal, noun, the act or process of developing an opinion of value. An opinion of value. Adjective, of or pertaining to appraising and related functions such as appraisal practice or appraisal services. Comment, an appraisal must be numerically expressed as a specific amount, as a range of numbers, or as a relationship. For instance, not more than, not less than, to a previous value opinion or numerical benchmark. For instance, assessed value, collateral value. Appraisal practice, valuation services performed by an individual acting as an appraiser, including but not limited to appraisal and appraisal review. Comment, appraisal practice is provided only by appraisers, while valuation services are provided by a variety of professionals and others. The terms appraisal and appraisal review are intentionally generic and are not mutually exclusive. For example, an opinion of value may be required as part of an appraisal review assignment. The use of other nomenclature for an appraisal or appraisal review assignment, for instance, analysis, counseling, evaluation, study, submission, or valuation, does not exempt an appraiser from adherence to the uniform standards of a professional appraisal practice. Appraisal review, noun, the act or process of developing an opinion about the quality of another appraiser's work that was performed as part of an appraisal or appraisal review assignment. Adjective, of or pertaining to an opinion about the quality of another appraiser's work that was performed as part of an appraisal or appraisal review assignment. Comment, the subject of an appraisal review assignment may be all or part of a report, work file, or a combination of these. Appraiser, One who is expected to perform valuation services competently and in a manner that is independent, impartial, and objective. Comment. Such expectation occurs when individuals, either by choice or by requirement placed upon them, or upon the service they provide by law, regulation, or agreement with the client or intended users, represent that they comply. Appraisers' peers. Other appraisers who have expertise and competency in a similar type of assignment. Assignment. A valuation service that is provided by an appraiser as a consequence of an agreement with a client. Assignment conditions. Assumptions, extraordinary assumptions, hypothetical conditions, laws and regulations, jurisdictional exceptions, and other conditions that affect the scope of work. Comment. Laws include constitutions, legislative and court-made law, administrative rules, and ordinances. Regulations include rules or orders having legal force issued by an administrative agency. Assignment results. An appraiser's opinions or conclusions developed specific to an assignment. Comment. Assignment results include an appraiser's opinions or conclusions developed in an appraisal assignment, not limited to value,